Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls out here. I hope everybody is doing great. So people, if you're excited about today's class, which is the most expected questions for your KVPY exam, then please let me know with a thumbs up, with a yo in the chat so that we can get started. I'm going to discuss some fantastic questions with you all today. It's going to be amazing. Hello Kaushik, very good evening. Jitesh, fantastic to see you here, man. Darun is also here. Satvik, Nirmal, very good evening guys. I'm so happy and I'm so pleased to see everybody out here at the right time, at the beginning of this class. So people, like I already told you, this is the most expected questions for KVPY. The exam is on November. The registration is over. Now it's time for you to prepare and work hard for the exam, isn't it? So before we get started, let me introduce myself. Let me talk about the channel so that you guys get used to us. Okay. What happened to my shirt? So I was busy, man. So I did not get time to change. But yeah, by next class, I'll be back in Vedantu's shirt. So people, for those who are here for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name, people, is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So if you are an engineering aspirant, then you are at the right place. So like I told you guys, we have been helping many students from different parts of the country to realize their dreams of getting into their college, their destined college. Let it be IITs, NITs, BITS. We will help you reach that. And we have some amazing teachers who can do that for you. So talking about my background, I did my BTech from IIT and I wrote KVPY. I was a KVPY scholar when I was like you guys a few years back. And when I wrote JEE Mains, I was a state topper. So that is my background. So with that people, let's get started. Let's see how you guys can become KVPY scholars, how you guys can crack this beautiful exam. Hello Trapti, Vijay Lakshmi, very good evening. Very good Krishna Chaitanya, then you have to definitely do well in KVPY because by KVPY you can reach IISc Bangalore. Hello Nikita, very nice to see you. Welcome Nikita, I'm so happy that you made it on time. Jaya Ravi Kumar, very good evening. Trapti, Suresh Kumar, very good evening to all of you my dear children. Let's get started. So this is your JEE Enthuse channel you are currently watching, and people, if you want to stay updated, if you want to study with us, make sure you subscribe because I want to see you again and again and again. I don't want this to be your last class. Got it? And also share it to your friends if you're a loyal subscriber of this channel. If you really enjoy what I teach, what Shreyas Sir teaches, what Wasim Sir teaches, then do help us out by spreading the word to your friends, your seniors or juniors. Even if one person you tell, that would mean a lot to us because that's how we grow, that's how we can impact many students' lives. Got it? So this is my Instagram ID in case you want to follow me, in case you want to message me or ask me anything in general about life, about preparation, about your difficulties, whatever it is, you guys can message me there. I will help you. Got it? Thank you. Beneficial facts. That is so kind of you. Trapti Agrawal. Welcome Trapti. Nice to see you. Ready for questions. So guys, make sure you like the video because you encourage me a lot by liking. Your comments, your positivity helps me a lot. Okay. Your positivity will help me a lot. So please try to do that whenever you can, not only to this video, to all videos, wherever you watch. Got it? So people, shall we get started? Are you all ready, my dear boys and girls? Everybody? Yes, Darun, the KVPY crash course has started. So I have given you the link to join the SA and SX program. Can you see that? Just above your message, we have given you the link to join the KVPY crash course. Right now, it is one of the best courses that is going on in Vedantu because I was also involved in the making of the course. I designed the course along with the maths team. So people, you will enjoy it. That is my guarantee. But no worries, if you cannot afford it, if you feel that is too much, then I'll help you on YouTube. But KVPY crash course has test series, It has assignments, 80 assignments, and you will get all the recording if you missed any class. So Darun, you did not miss anything. You can join even now because Darun, you have 2 months time. KVPY, you can even crack it with 2 months time. So make use of it. Don't delay further. Darun, I have given you the link. Click on the link. Get it done immediately if you are serious about KVPY. If you're just giving it for fun, then YouTube is enough. Okay. But if you're serious, you need some backing. You need some test series that Vedantu's crash course can give you. Got it? It says the link is broken. So guys, the link you can get it from the description of this video. Okay, the link you can get it from the description of this video. You can download it. You can go and use my coupon code SJKVPY. SJKVPY is my code. Use that, join it, make use of it, and let me know how it is useful. Okay, let me know how it is useful. Don't forget, because I want your opinion. Every time I keep saying, you guys think that, okay, this is the Vedantu course, that's why sir is talking. But I want you to recognize how good Vedantu's teaching is. Put it down in the comments. Okay, cost of the KVPY course is 4,000 rupees. Okay, just 4,000 for 2 months. Vamsi, for 2 months, Vamsi. The entire course price is just 4,000. So guys, the link is not broken. We will change the link and we will paste it. So those who are interested, please join it today so that you have sufficient time to prepare. Got it? Very good. So shall we get started? Are you all ready? Can I see some fire? Can I see some thumbs up in the chat? Can a NEET aspirant clear KVPY? Anu, it is easier for NEET aspirant because biology is a subject in KVPY. So you will be able to do well, Anu. Anu, you can definitely crack it. Like I told you, if you are very serious, take the help of the crash course. It can help you to reach good rank. And if you get a good rank, Anu, you might even get into IISc Bangalore, or even you get scholarship for clearing the exam. Okay, so all the best, Anu, do well. New shirt, yes, Vishesh. So I was talking to one of the students. So one of our YouTube students had come to my place, Shakti Priya. Have you guys heard of her? Science Priya, right? So she had come to wish me Teachers Day. It was very nice. I was talking to her, and after that the class started, so I didn't have time to change. My comments are visible. Yes, Vishesh, my dear, your comments are visible. Exactly, Gokulnath. Guys, KVPY also helps you for JEE Advanced. So with that, people, let's get started. You guys are excited, so I want to take it up right now. The very first question is on your screen. I want everybody to participate. Come on, people. Hello, Rajalakshmi. Welcome. Late to the class. No problem. You're always welcome. Trapti, lot of hearts. Is that a heart? Great. So Trapti is in love with the video. Thank you so much, Trapti. Very good, very good. Definitely, Gokulnath. I would be happy to visit you. I would be happy to meet you as well. Great. Is 98% enough for NIT Trichy Computer Science? No, Vainidhi. No. 98% you will not get Computer Science in NIT Trichy. No way. Because 98% is 20,000 rank. Computer Science will close in just 3,000 or 5,000 rank. Got it? So it is not easy for 98 Vainidhi. That is my answer. Okay. Yes, music stories. Anam Patan. So guys, how many of you solved it? Come on, people. Try to do it. You guys asked for KVPY. Of course, KVPY is not going to be easy. Okay. So today's lecture will be of good level. You have to follow me. You have to take it a bit seriously. Got it? Mathematical reasoning is not important for advanced. It is not important for KVPY. Trapti, mathematical reasoning is important only for JEE mains. Got it? So people, let's get started. Are you all ready? Shall we solve it? So guys, like I told you, the crash course for KVPY is currently going on for both SA 11th standard, SX 12th standard. The link to join is given in the description of this video. So check it out. Don't delay it because right now you have 2 months. Exactly 2 months. Why? Because the exam is on November 7th. Now it is September 7th. So September to October 1 month. October to November 1 month. So exactly you have 2 months. Got it? Are you all clear with it, boys and girls? Fantastic. So now what do we have? We have 2 perpendicular tangents that are drawn from the origin to this circle. That means what? origin lies on the director circle. How many of you understood that? That is the concept. If you're not getting that concept, that means your basics are not great. You have to focus on the basics. You have to increase your foundation. Are you guys happy with that? So people, the first and the foremost thing you should realize is in this question, the origin lies on the director circle. How many of you got that? Who and all can write KVPY? So Jaddu beats, if you are from 11th and 12th standard, you can write KVPY, my dear. Okay, are you all happy? So did you understand it? So first of all, so let's complete this circle equation. Let's complete the circle. So it's going to be x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus p the whole square is equal to, you will have what? You will have, so I added p square, I added 9. So p square plus 9 minus of 17 is what I have. So guys, do you agree the circle equation can be written like this? How many of you understood that? It is equal to what I'll get? P square minus 8. Are you guys happy with that? This circle equation, I wrote it like that. How many of you got it? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. Okay. And can computer science students write? Yes, computer science students can write. Hello Rohini. Very good Rohini. You are amazing. Yes, computer science students also can write. If you are in 11th standard, you have to write bio also, even if you are a computer science student. But for 12th standard, you have to write only 3 subjects: physics, chemistry and maths. Got it? So people, are you all clear? Very good boys and girls. Fantastic, fantastic. So Jaddu beats, if you are in 12th, then only PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. So people, this is the equation of circle. So what is the director circle of this? Director circle, if you are all aware of it, all my 12th standard students, if you are aware of director circle, it is nothing but twice of r square. It is nothing but twice of r square. So this is the director circle, the locus of all the points from which 2 perpendicular tangents can be drawn to this circle. Are you all happy? That is the conceptual understanding. Guys, obviously it's a tough question. It is not going to be easy. You have to please listen carefully to me. How did the first equation come? So I completed the square. Darun, x square minus 6x is there. Y square minus 2px is there. So I added 9 Darun and I added p square. So 9 plus p square I added to the left hand side to the right hand side. So that this becomes x minus 3 whole square. This becomes y minus p whole square. And 17 is here. So if I bring it to the right side, it will become minus 17. Did you understand it, Darun? This is the way you guys understand and solve these questions. Are you all clear? This is a SX question. This is a SX question. Got it? Are you all happy? My dear boys, my dear girls, everybody cool with it? Everybody please let me know. All of you clear with it? Everybody please let me know, guys. If you have any doubts, you can let me know that as well. Clear? Hello Vijay Kishore, welcome. Nice and tricky. So now people, we know that the origin lies on the director circle. Why? See, this is the director circle equation. Now origin should lie on this. Why? Because from the origin, I can draw 2 perpendicular tangents. So 0 should satisfy this. So if I put 0, 0 minus 3 square is 9. 0 minus p square is p square is equal to 2p square minus 16. So I'll have p square is equal to 25. So modulus of p is equal to 5. So that is how you solve it, my dear boys and girls. Did you all enjoy it? Was it a good question? Yes, Jitesh, I have essay questions also. Please wait for it, guys. Please wait for it. Are you guys clear? Everybody, shall we get started? Everybody loved it. So this is the level to which you have to prepare. This is the level up to which you have to prepare. Are you all clear? Do we need to solve SL only fully for advanced? Soundarya, no. Soundarya, SL only is for properties. There are very good properties. Note the properties down and solve Cengage or your coaching material, whatever you have. And people, if you want to join Vedantu also provides coaching. We are not just a YouTube channel. And today, because of Teachers Day, you have 50% offer. I have pinned the message on the top of the chat. So you can check out that in case you are interested to join my batch. So I also teach in Vedantu for 11th standard and also for 12th standard. So I have a surprise announcement today at 6 o'clock. Please be there. But if you are interested even to the slightest extent, guys, now is the right time to experiment. Now is the right time to check whether you fall in love with Vedantu or not. Okay, you can do that by checking the message I have pinned on the top. So everybody cool? Shall I move forward? So this is the next one, guys. This is for SA. This is for 11th standard students because this is from the chapter Permutation and Combination. PNC. Can droppers write KVPY? No. KVPY is only for 11th and 12th standard students. Okay. Dhanush, I'm gonna tell you at 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, you will get to know all the surprises in JEE Enthuse channel. Okay. So guys, are you all ready? Shall I proceed? Boys and girls, please let me know with a thumbs up. This is the second question. So, N1 is less than N2 is less than N3 is less than N4 is less than N5. They're all positive integers such that N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 plus N5 is equal to 20. So now you guys have to solve this. Got it? Kishore, if you are 2023 aspirant, yes, you can do Cengage. Yes, you can do Cengage. Yes, the dress is different today, man. Hello, Asil. Welcome, Asil. Hello, Asmi. Welcome. Nice to see you. Advanced is tougher than KVPY or equal or lower. Advanced will be similar to KVPY. Similar. Okay. Very good. It is wet? No, man, it is not wet. The design is like that. Okay, so people, let's try to solve it. What do we have? N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 plus N5 equal to 20. So guys, N1, see, they're all positive integers. So N1 should be greater than or equal to 1. And definitely N2 should be greater than or equal to 2. N3 should be greater than or equal to 3. And N4 should be greater than or equal to 4. And N5 should be greater than or equal to 5. How many of you got this? How many of you understood this? Are you all happy with that? Because N1 is less than N2, less than N3, less than N4, less than N5. So because of that, this condition we get because they're all positive integers. This is the first deduction. This is the first reasoning that we do. Are you guys happy with that? This is the first reasoning that we do. Hello, Nikhil Krishna. Welcome. Darun got that step. Very good, Darun. Danush, you are amazing. You are amazing. Very good. So people, with that, let's move forward. So now, guys, I'm gonna write it in a different way. So listen very carefully. So N1 is greater than or equal to 1. N2 is greater than or equal to 2. N3 is greater than or equal to 3. N4 is greater than or equal to 4. And N5 is greater than or equal to 5. So now I can write N1 as 1 plus X1. I can write N2 as 2 plus X2. I can write N3 as 3 plus X3. I can write N4 as 4 plus X4. And I can write N5 as 5 plus X5. Now this is equal to 20. So I will get X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 plus X5 is equal to, how much do I have? I'll have 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5. Is that correct? Because 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 20 minus 15 is 5. Now again, X1 should be less than equal to X2, should be less than equal to X3, should be less than equal to X4, should be less than equal to X5. Is that clear, boys and girls? Are you guys happy with it? Everybody, please let me know. Joel, second drop will not affect your placement. Don't worry. Hello, Abhirami, welcome. Yes, Asmi, I met Shakti Priya today. KVPY is an online exam. Vijay Krishna, brilliant. Brilliant. X3 I left, is it? X3 also will be there. So guys, this is the way they follow. Now you can just draw a table and you can get the answer. You can just draw a table and you can get the answer. So you just need to write X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 plus X5 is equal to 5, and you need to fill it in such a way that X1 is less than equal to X2 is less than equal to X3 is less than equal to X4 is less than equal to X5. So how many ways can you fill it? So let's try to write down the values. X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. So you can have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. So this is one solution. Or you can have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. So this is second solution, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 4. This is second solution. Or you can have 0, 0, 0. You will have what? 2, 3. So like that, you write down all the possibilities. You will have only 7 possibilities. Can you guys write it down? I have written 3 methods. You can try to write it down. See guys, you have to satisfy this inequality and you have to satisfy this equation. So their sum should be 5. So their sum should be 5 and x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 should be in ascending order. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, perfect. 0, 0, 0, 1, 4, the sum is 5, perfect. Like that, you can list down all the various possibilities. You can write 0, 0, 1, 1, 3 and then so on you can write it. Okay, are you all clear? Everybody happy with that? So you write it down, you will get it. Yes, Dhanush, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 is also possible. And then this is 5 possibilities. And then you'll have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is also one possibility. And one more possibility I have left. You guys can tell me what that is. So, are you guys able to understand? Did you comprehend whatever I'm saying? Did you all like it? Was it a good question? Such a good one, right? It is not an easy question, guys. Okay, it is not an easy question. Do you have a girlfriend? Aditya, that's a secret, man. When is the session for advanced? Kriti, I have at 9 o'clock. Tonight at 9 o'clock, we'll have it. Okay. Darun is saying 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Yes, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2 is the last one. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ways in which we can do. I got the answer. Beautiful. Did you all like it? Did you all enjoy the way I solved it? Did you guys get it? Yes. Welcome, man. Nice to see you. What if they were not in order? Then you can use beggar and coin method. If there is no restriction, then directly you can use beggar and coin. You can finish it off. Are you all clear, people? Did you all like it? Shall I move forward? Very good, very good. So Jadu beats, every subject is 25 marks and yes, negative marking is there. So guys, this is the solution. I have written it down so that you guys can follow it. Please do check out the PDF after the class. I will share it in the Telegram group. Okay. So people, this is the next question for my SX students. This is a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant question. Please try to solve it. When will I meet you? Ask me. When you come to Chennai, for sure we can meet. Something fishy from my secret. Yes, very, very fishy. Isn't the exam for 100 marks? Yes, each subject is 25. So for 4 subjects will be 100 marks for 11th standard. For 12th standard, it is 20, 20, 20 in the section 1 and then 20, 20 in section 2. Okay. So that's how it works. For 12th standard, it is different. For 11th standard, different. But the total marks is 100. Total marks is 100. Is there any upcoming course for KVPY? Rakshit, there is a KVPY crash course going on in Vedantu. The link is below this video, Rakshit. So below this video, guys, I've been telling you, all the serious aspirants, if you are really wanting to crack KVPY, please check out the link in the description of this video. The KVPY crash course is just 4,000 rupees. It is for 2 months. Exactly 2 months you have. September 7th today, November 7th is the exam. So exactly 2 months you have, and guys, for 2 months, 80 assignments, 10 test series along with teaching. 80 assignments plus test series is what you get in the crash course for 4,000. All the subjects included. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. You will regret it. Okay. Rakshit, you will not miss out much, Rakshit, because all the video lectures will be provided. Only a few classes have passed by. So you're not late, Rakshit. You can join even now. I would recommend you to go for it because Rakshit, you still have 2 months time. Got it? So please go for it when you have the chance. JEE main scam. Yes, Viceroy. I know, man. I also heard about it. But we don't know what the government will do. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. No Jaddu. For KVPY, we don't offer it, man. It's a crash course. It's a crash course. So how can we do that? Okay. But if you are interested, if you are serious, go for it. Otherwise, YouTube you can follow. We will teach you on YouTube also. PRMO will help in crash course. Will help in JEE Advanced. Yes, yes, Trapti. Trapti for sure. So guys, did you all solve this? How many of you have done this question? Can you please let me know, my dear boys and girls? Have you all done this? Please check it out. Everybody let me know in the chat if you guys have done this or not. Trapti has solved it. What about others? What about others? Have you guys solved it, people? Did you guys like it? Nice shirt. Thank you, Nimalan. That is so sweet of you. And thank you, Kriti. Kriti, brilliant. Thank you for the compliment. Now only class over for maths. King, welcome, man. Let's try to solve this question. This is a nice question. Even if you're a JEE Advanced aspirant, this question you should be able to solve. Because I told you, right, KVPY SA is very similar to JEE Advanced. So definitely you guys have to solve this. Okay. So what do you have? You have f dash of x is less than 2f of x. So I can write it like that. Are you guys okay with it? How, sir? Because guys, f of x is a positive function. It is a positive function. So if it is a positive function, then for sure, I can divide it on both sides. I can divide it on both sides. Okay. Now guys, I can integrate this. I can multiply dx on both sides and I can integrate it. So if I integrate it, I'll get ln f of x is going to be less than, I'll get 2x plus c, right? I'll get 2x plus c. So I'll get what? If I take f of x alone, I'll get f of x is less than e to the power 2x into some constant. How many of you liked it? Did you all like it? Till here, how many of you understood? Such a beautiful question. Guys, you have to solve these questions if you are preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced next year. 2022 aspirants, if you are preparing for JEE Mains or JEE Advanced, you should be able to solve these questions. Okay. Yes, IIT, you can take the Vedantu subscription. I have pinned the message on the chat. Can you see at the top of the screen? That is the Vedantu Pro subscription for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Right now, there is a heavy offer going on. So you can check it out if you are interested. Okay. Vijay Lakshmi, if you are in 11th standard, yes, you have to write biology also. But if you are in 12th, you don't have to write biology. For 12th standard, no need to write bio. Got it? So guys, shall we get started? Let's finish it off. Triambak, welcome. So guys, I have f of x is less than k into e to the power 2x. Now people, what do I have? F of 1 by 2. So in the place of x, put 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 is lesser than k into e to the power 2 into 1 by 2. E to the power 2 into 1 by 2 is e to the power 1. So what is f of 1 by 2? F of 1 by 2 is 1. So I will get k is greater than 1 by e. Are you guys clear? K is greater than 1 by e. Are you all okay with it? Everybody, please let me know. Everybody is cool with it, guys? If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. K is greater than 1 by 2, 1 by e. Did you all like that? Are you all comfortable, people? Everybody is chill? No doubts over here? Yes? Fantastic. So now, can you guys take it forward and solve it? Come on, people. Yes, Yash, all the very best. Deepsika, welcome Deepsika. Pavanaya, very good evening. Welcome, man. Yes, Triamba, KVPY is not an easy exam. You have to work very hard for it. Great. So people, after this, you can put the value of k back inside as 1 by e and you can try to solve it. You will get a very nice answer. Okay, you will get a very nice answer. Please do that, guys. Please do that. Everybody go for it. Try to complete it, boys and girls. Try to complete it, everybody. This is JEE Mains level. Yes. So guys, you can take the value of k to be 1 by e. So if you take it as 1 by e, what will happen? If you take it as 1 by e, you will have e to the power 2x minus 1. So I can integrate from 1 by 2 to 1 dx. Now obviously f of x is positive function. So if it is positive, it should be greater than 0. So then you will have lesser than e to the power 2x minus 1 dx integral. So now this is the integral value. So the integral value is greater than 0 and it is lesser than, what do we have here? E to the power 2x minus 1. So the integral of e to the power 2x minus 1 is e to the power 2x minus 1 by 2. And the limits are from 1 by 2 to 1. So the limits are from 1 by 2 to 1. So you will have what? You will have e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0 by 2. So it is e minus 1 by 2. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Did you guys like it? Everybody? Harshit, what is the surprise at 6 p.m.? Please come and see at 6 p.m. You will know. Very good, Deepsika. That is fantastic. When will JEE Mains 2022 be conducted? Priya, I think mostly January only. January or February, you will have the JEE Mains 2022 for sure. Very good, very good. So Gokul, for biology, you have to study, man. You have to mug up the entire 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard NCRT. 10th, 11th and 12th NCRT is very important. So once you are thorough in that, Gokul, you will have a lot of advantage. Very good, Asmi, fantastic. So Karishma, you have to finish your portions by Jan or Feb. That will be good. Your entire revision, if you finish by Jan or Feb, it will be good. Hello, Suhani. Yes, Suhani, I'll repeat it. Maulesh, welcome, Maulesh. Nice to see you. Nikhil, no problem, Nikhil. Keep working on your mistakes. You will improve. Aditya Tripathi, the session will be up to 5:30. Up to 5 or 5:30, I will keep going because we have plenty of good questions to discuss. And all of them are difficult questions, man. So I'm taking a lot of time to solve. Okay. So people, did you all like it? Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Are you guys enjoying it? Very good. So Suhani, these are all very tough questions. I brought it because I want you to prepare for that level. This is the most expected questions, Suhani. So don't feel bad. This is not to discourage you. This is just to show you what is the level of KVPY. That is why I keep telling Suhani, you have to take the crash course to have a backing. Unless people expose you to these things, you will always find it hard. Unless you are exposed to these questions, you will always find them hard. It is not only you. Anybody who is seeing this for the first time will find it good. Okay, so if you are really serious about KVPY, if you are desperate to clear it, then I would recommend you to check out the crash course which is going on currently in Vedantu. So guys, I have attached the complete solution. You can go through it when you have the time. Okay, when you have the time, you guys can go through it. But right now, we will move forward. Okay, so guys, this is the next question which everybody can solve. Which everybody can solve. Whether you are from 11th or from 12th, doesn't matter. You guys can solve these questions. Please try it out. Very good, Deepsika. Fantastic. Vijay Lakshmi, can we write it in 12th? Yes, Vijay Lakshmi. When you write in 12th, you have to write only 3 subjects. Physics, chemistry, maths or physics, chemistry, biology. It's up to you. Your wish. Hello, Arshita. Nice to see you, Arshita. Welcome. Sai Shruti, welcome. Great. Status life. KVPY level is like JEE Advanced. Of course, man. KVPY is as difficult as Advanced. It is not easy. That is why you need help. Okay, if you are writing KVPY, take some help. You have to take a crash course or take a designated course for that. Otherwise, it's difficult, man. It's not easy. 2022 batch for crash course will begin. Yes, Dhanush, it will begin next month. I will let you know first, okay? Because those who join first will have access for a very long time. So that way, Dhanush, you will enjoy it. So I will let you know as soon as it begins. I think by October it should start. I will let you know. Okay, answer is B. Very good, let's check it. Deepsika, you are on fire. Abhinav, very good evening, Abhinav. Vijay Lakshmi, brilliant. What are the chapters I should focus on for advanced? For advanced, there is no specific chapter, man. You have to be good at everything. Okay. So if you really want me to tell something, calculus and coordinate geometry, both are very important. Calculus and coordinate geometry are very important for JEE Advanced. You can go for that. Hello, Anime Spell. Welcome, Anime Spell. Nice to see you. Minnie, welcome. What is going to start on October? Suhani, the JEE Mains crash course for next year will start by October. So guys, you have an isosceles triangle. So let's say you have A, B, C, and the vertical angle is 20. So this will be 10, this will be 10. And your base is A, so the vertical angle bisector will also be the median and it will also be the altitude. So it will be A by 2, A by 2. And this is your equal side B. So guys, this is the diagram. How many of you got the diagram correct? If you got the diagram correct, you are awesome. If you got the diagram correct, you are amazing. Did you all like it? People, very good anime spell. Very good Joshua. Joshua, fantastic man. Nikhil, Ridya. Guys, this one, everybody should be able to solve. Whether you are in 11th or 10th or 12th, it doesn't matter. You should be able to solve this. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Imran. Imran, tonight I am taking a session on JEE Advanced. Tonight at 9 o'clock. So please be there on time. Okay. Tonight at 9 o'clock, I have a JEE Advanced lecture. Please try to be there, guys, because your participation will mean a lot to me. So guys, what is sine 10 degree? Sine 10 degree is A by 2 divided by B. So it is going to be A by 2B. Are you all cool with that? This is sine 10 degree. Because sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is A by 2B. Now, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is sine into 310. 3 into 10. So sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Is that correct, people? So can I write it as 3 into sine 10 is A by 2B minus 4 into sine cube 10 is A cube by 8B cube. And that is equal to sine 30, which is 1 by 2. So now solve it, get the answer, you are done. So multiply by B cube, you will get B cube is equal to 3AB square minus A cube. Are you all clear with it, boys and girls? So what is A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube is equal to 3AB square. That is the answer for this question, which is option B. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Next level question, right? Hello, Vijaya. Welcome, Vijaya. Nice to see you here. Fantastic. I hope you all like this question, guys. This was a brilliant question. This was a brilliant question. Did you all like it, boys and girls? Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? Are you all able to understand whatever I have done here? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic. Darun, you have to just work on your basics, man. If you work on your basics, with time you will get better. Okay, with time you will get better. That's how you improve. Clear? Very good. So with that, people, let's get going. And yes, Karishma, if you finish your portion, if you solve a lot of questions and if you prepare the previous year's questions, there is a very high chance that you can get above 99 percentile. Okay. So Asil, the KVPY crash course is very beautifully designed because I was also involved in it. Okay. So I would highly recommend it. But if you are interested, go for it. Got it? So the link to join the KVPY crash course, my dear boys and girls, is below in the description of this video. So just go to the description, click on the link, register yourself and join. It is just 4,000 for the next 2 months. And guys, it is very effective. It has 80 assignments. It has 10 test series. Okay, nobody will offer 10 KVPY test series because it's very difficult to predict the questions of KVPY. Not everybody can do that. Got it? So make use of it when you have the chance. Don't regret it later. So guys, this is the answer. I hope all of you liked it. With that, let us move forward to the next one. This is a beautiful question. This is a beautiful question. Which batch is best, PCM or PCB? Vijay Lakshmi, you have to decide that. If you are a NEET student, you have to write PCB. If you are a JEE student, you have to write PCM. Got it? Abhinav, yes Abhinav, you need to know a little bit of 12th because current, electricity and all will come in 10th standard portion. Isn't that right? So that is why in KVPY SA, they will also ask current portion. So you have to know 12th standard. So that is why, like I told you, you need to have a background coaching, man. You need to have a course which can guide you. Okay. On your own, it might be difficult for you to cover everything. Try it anyway. Try it. Very good. So people, are you all done? Selva Kumari says PCMB is OP. Exactly. Rutvik Sharma, what is the surprise? Come at 6 o'clock. You will know the surprise. Yes, Dhanush. Of course, man. You need to know all that. Kirchhoff's law, resistance in series, resistance in parallel, power. Everything is important. KVPY, they test you to that level. Okay. It is not an easy exam. It is of course difficult. Okay. Mini, fantastic Mini. Is 361 correct? Very good. Deepsika, you are absolutely right, Deepsika, because 361, my dear students, is amazing. It is the right answer. So how do you solve this question? So people, first of all, find the total number of arrangements. So guys, what is the total number of arrangements? Can you all help me over here? The total number of arrangements, my dear students, is nothing but, how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 factorial by B, you have 4 B's. So 4 B's means 4 factorial, 2 A's, 2 factorial, 2 C's, 2 factorial. So what will I have? I'll have 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 divided by, I'll have 2 into 2. So I'll have 14 into 5 is 70, 70 into 6 is 420. So 420 is the number of arrangements. Did you all like it? So this is the total number of arrangements. How many of you have understood it? Everybody give me a thumbs up. Very good guys. Fantastic. Jashwant, very good evening Jashwant. Welcome. Required percentile for advance from mains, 99 percentile is for sure eligible. But if you ask the cutoff percentile, 90 is what I'm guessing. 90 will be the cutoff usually, but it can come down to 87 also. Okay, I'm not very sure about it, guys. You have to wait for it. Yes, fantastic. So people, this is the total number of arrangement. So total minus the number of cases where they come together, where AB's BC will come together. The number of arrangements where AB, BC comes together. So that will give me the answer. Is that correct, people? Now, I want AB, BC to come together. So I will treat it as a unit and the remaining letters, I will treat it as separate quantities. So now these are 4 letters and this is 5th one. This is the 5th one. 5th block. Okay. So how many permutations are possible? It is 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Is that correct? So it will be 60 ways. So there are 60 ways in which they can be coming together. So if you put 60, you will get 360, which is wrong. Why, sir? What mistake did I do? The mistake you did is you will have one combination in this, like this, ABBC block and ABBC. And then you'll also have ABBC and then block of ABBC. But these two are the same. These two are the same arrangement. These two are the same arrangement, but they are counted twice. They are counted twice. So I have to remove the count once. So when I do that, I will get 361. So that is why the answer is option C. Did you guys love it? This is what differentiates a KVPY question. Okay. This is what differentiates a KVPY question. Okay. Hello, Shweta, welcome. Yes, Shweta. Nowadays you are very early. Great. Exactly, Dhanush, you are right. Asil, the KVPY crash course will give you assignments to help you build your basics. But obviously you can't expect very easy from the scratch level. They will obviously teach you some good level content, but the assignments will be beautifully made so that you can rise up to that occasion. Got it? So yeah, check it out, Asil. Like I told you, it is there in the description. Okay, Shweta. Shweta, your school has started. Every day you have, is it? Every day? So guys, this is the next question. Please solve it. It's a fantastic question. This is the next one. So Suhani, 60 minus 1 because one arrangement, the same arrangement will be counted twice, Suhani. The same arrangement will be counted twice. So I have to subtract it once. That is why I put -1 Swani. I hope you got it now. Okay. Very good. Perfect, perfect. This will come in 2021. Exactly. That is why it is a most expected question. Krishna Vamsi, I am doing both, man. I'm doing few questions of SA and few questions of SX. So this is an SX question. This is a SX question. So please try to solve it. Everybody, any question from quadratic equation? Yes, you will get quadratic also, but today I don't know whether I have brought it. I don't think so. Okay. Ravina, exactly Ravina. 2021, na? That's why this question. So try to solve it, guys. It's a nice question. It's a nice question. You will enjoy it. How is my health now? Guys, my health is much better. Asil, the session will go up to 5:30. Up to 5:30 for sure. We will continue. Please try to follow it and try to make use of these lectures, guys. What to do after Black Book? So Trapti, please try to focus on the session. We will discuss all these questions at the end of the class, not right now. Okay, perfect. So people, first of all, when I open it, I'll get what? -1 by n to 1 by n. I'll get 2020 sin x into mod of x plus 2021. I'll get cos x into mod of x dx. Is that right? And then we have limit n tending to infinity and I have n square over here. Now people, do you all agree that this is an odd function? How many of you can see that? How many of you can see that this is an odd function? Isn't that brilliant? This is what I call as an odd function. Why is it an odd function? That you guys should go and revise your notes. If you are in 12th standard, you are supposed to know what are even and what are odd functions. Got it? So guys, when you have an odd function between -a to +a, the value of that integral is under. So the value of the first integral will become under. So this will go away. Only this will remain. Only this will remain because this is an even function. So when you have an even function, I can write it as -a to a. I can write it as twice of 0 to a. I can write it as twice of 0 to a. So I have limit n tending to infinity, n square into that. Now n square, I can bring it to the denominator and write it like this. How many of you liked it? Are you guys cool with it? Such a fantastic method. Manoj, absolutely Manoj. Wow. Absolutely, that is the exact reaction you guys have to give because such a beautiful question. Now people, if I put n tending to infinity, my denominator is 0 and my numerator is also 0. So I have 0 by 0 form. So if I have 0 by 0 form, I can use L'Hopital. I can use L'Hopital. So if I use L'Hopital, what will be my answer? Can you guys help me with that? Differentiating your numerator, what will you get? You will get Newton-Leibniz formula. Newton-Leibniz formula. Did you guys know that before? So if I use the Newton-Leibniz formula, what will I get? Twice of 2021 into cos of 1 by n into mod of x will become what? Mod of x will be x only. Why? Because the interval is from 0 to 1 by n, which is positive. So if it is positive, then x will be positive, then modulus has no effect. Then modulus has no effect. So this is what I have. Cos of 1 by n into 1 by n, and then you have derivative of 1 by n, which will be -1 by n square, divided by derivative of this will be -2 by n cube. So I'll have this and this getting cancelled. 2 and 2 also will get cancelled. So finally I'll have what? Limit n tending to infinity. I'll have 2021 cos of 1 by n. Now put n as infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. Cos of 0 is 1. So 2021 into 1 is 2021. That's why option D is correct. Did you all like it? Was it amazing? Was it amazing? KVPY is best. Absolutely. These questions are all next level. They're all very, very good question. Okay. Definitely Asil. Asil, work for it. Make use of the course and get better. If you work hard with the KVPY crash course, you will reach a different level. It will be helpful for you in your JEE preparation as well. Guys, are you all happy? This is for 12th standard, not for 11th. For 11th standard, this is too much. This is not for 11th, this is for 12th standard. Got it? So guys, this was a very nice question, 2021. So they may ask you something like this. Okay, Munabai, that's fantastic, Munabai. I hope you are enjoying it. Great. So with that, people, let's move forward. With this, let's move forward. Okay, the answer I have written it here. Guys, this I will share it in the Telegram group. Okay, so please join the Telegram group and you will be able to understand it. So Suwani twice came because it's an even function, Suwani. It's an even function. So when you have an even function between minus a to plus a, Suwani, you can write it as twice of 0 to a. Twice of 0 to a. That is a property of even function. Hello, Asmi, welcome. Nice to see you. So Suhani, whatever I did are all properties of odd and even functions. So if you don't know the basic Suhani, you have to revise it. Otherwise, take some help. Guys, see, something you have to do. Either you study on your own, what are odd functions, what are even functions. Because without that basic, you cannot solve this question. But if you want some help, check out the crash course which is offered in Vedantu. It can definitely boost your level. The link I have given in the description of the video. Okay. For Vedantu students, it's free of cost. But if you are a new student who is first time to Vedantu, then you can check out the link in the description. Okay. Mini, thank you so much. Was this a previous year question? Some of them are. Yes. Shruti, Vanakam Shruti, nice to see you. So people, try to solve this. This is a nice question. It is not simple. It requires a lot of work. It requires a lot of brain usage. Please do it, guys. You should be able to get it. Come on, everybody. I want maximum number of people to solve it. I want maximum number of people to solve it. So please go for it, guys. Everybody. Distance from center. Exactly. Very good, Danush. Something like that we have to do. Asmi says option E. Next level. Great. Here also. Yes, Mini. Absolutely. So guys, we have a circle. We have a circle and you have a tangent at the point 2, 5. So this is a point of tangency. Now center lies on this line. So center lies on this line, which is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Are you guys happy? That is my center. Are you all happy with it? My dear boys and girls, everybody cool? So now let's try to find out the point of intersection. Let's find out the point of intersection. Because I know the tangent equation and I know the center equation. So let's say the point of intersection of center line, that is one of the diameters, and the tangent. Tangent is what? 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if I solve these two lines, I will get the point P. So can you guys find me what is point P? Can you guys find me what is point P? Everybody please try to do it, guys. Very good, very good. Yes, Asil. Asil, 6 p.m. we have a surprise announcement. So please try to be there, Asil. I want you to be there at 6 o'clock. And guys, like I told you, if you are a serious aspirant, please, if you want to study and solve these questions. Yes, of course, the questions in KVPY are difficult, so I will have to solve tough questions. Okay, so the session questions today are all tough because KVPY questions are tough. If you want to solve them, you have to take help. How do you take help? Either you study on your own, self-study, or you ask your teachers to support you, or else the last option is we have a KVPY crash course going on in Vedantu. That is your last resort. But decide something and act fast because you have only 2 months time. You can't simply keep dreaming that you will do well, you will do well, you will do well. It will not happen. Okay, so you have to make a decision. Either you work on your own, following YouTube, following your teacher, following study material, or you can take the help of crash course, but decide fast. Okay, that is my suggestion to all my lovely students. Got it? So people, what is the point P? Nobody is solving. Nikhil Krishna, very good Nikhil. You are amazing Nikhil. I love people who are seriously solving. You guys are awesome. But Nikhil, minus 2, 3, I don't think it's satisfying, man. I don't think it is satisfying. Oh, minus 2 comma minus 3 is it? Okay, okay. That satisfies. Great. Minus 2 comma minus 3. Yes, it works. It works. It works. Good, good, good. So that is the point P. So let's say this is the point of tangency. What is PT? Can you guys tell me what is PT? PT will be 4 square plus 8 square. So that will be root of 80. Is that correct? Root of 80 because 4 square plus 8 square. Root of 80. Now this is perpendicular, right? This is perpendicular. And this is the radius of the circle. Now if I know this theta, I can find out what is the radius. So guys, how do you find theta? Theta is the angle between the two lines. So tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. That's it. Easy. Laddu. So tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to m1 is what? M1 is equal to minus 2 by minus 1, 2. And m2 is what? M2 is equal to 1 by 2. Are you all happy with it? So it will be 2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1. So that will be equal to 3 by 4. So tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by adjacent. So r by root 80 is equal to 3 by 4. So r is equal to 3 root 5. That's my answer. So 3 root 5 is the answer, which is option A. Did you all like it? Was it killer? Was it killer? Killer question. Killer question. Asmi is roasting me. Next level. Today let her have a day. It's okay. How much is the Vedantu crash course for KVPY? Prashant, it is 4,000 man. You can check it out in the description. You can check it out in the description of this video. Okay. This question was a little difficult for me. Exactly, Gokulnath. Gokulnath, KVPY questions are next level, man. If you are really serious, if you are preparing for JEE, when you grow up, then you have to try it now itself. Okay, KVPY SA questions, you can try it out now itself, Gokulnath. Minnie, fantastic. Munabai, great. Deepsika, fantastic. Danush, awesome, man. So with that, let us move forward. Let's keep going. I hope you all liked it. So guys, the answer is option A. This was a fabulous question. I enjoyed solving it with you. Now, these questions are also very common. This is a KVPY SA question. This is a KVPY SA question. Suhani, you have to revise the basics, Suhani. Okay, unless your basics are strong, you will not be able to follow it. Till then, you can prepare for JEE mains maybe. Okay, for JEE mains, I think you might be able to follow. But for JEE advanced, you need to have very strong basics, or even for KVPY for that matter. So please work on your basics, strengthen them, and then come here. Only then you will be able to follow. Otherwise, it will be difficult, Suhani. Please understand. KVPY is MCQ. Single correct, single correct. Shreya, single correct. One choice only will be correct. Okay. Very good. Question is very big, guys. This is SA question. SA question means 11th standard. So everybody can solve. This is a SA question. Please try to solve it. Trapti, I will finish it before 5:30. Don't worry. So before 5:30, I will complete it. So you guys can go and watch your Vedantu Pro classes. Great. Very good, Shreya. Fantastic. So people, try to solve it. Use the concept of relative motion. Use the concept of relative velocity. Where is my uniform? From now on, this is my uniform. Okay. So, my uniform is absent today. It is in the laundry. Mini, very good, Mini. I am so glad you are enjoying these lectures. Vishesh, you hear many things, man. All wrong things only you are hearing. Now is the time to enjoy life, man. Why will you get married and have less time? Now is the time to make memories. You have to travel, you have to do a lot of other stuff before you head for a marriage. But yeah, you guys won't understand that. Very good, Asil. Fantastic, man. Is it a physics question? Darun, you can use physics concept, man. You can use physics concepts to solve it. Bring this for physics, chem and bio. Shreya, physics, Shreya sir will do it for you. Don't worry. Physics pakka they'll do in this channel. Shreya sir is here. He is an expert and I'm sure he'll help you for physics as well. But guys, I want you to participate in large numbers. The participation is very low. Very few people are watching it. Okay. If you participate in large numbers, that would be very interesting, very encouraging for teachers. When did you become a physics expert? I always was, fellow Kumari. I'm just kidding. I hope Shreyas sir doesn't hear that. Very good. So people, try to solve it. Everybody listen carefully. Everybody listen carefully. Are you all ready? So people, first of all, Ajay and Sanjay. Okay. How many times do they meet? So Ajay and Sanjay are doing opposite direction, right? So if they are moving in opposite direction, then their net relative speed is equal to how much? Net relative speed is equal to 9 plus 6, right? 9 plus 6 is 15 km per hour. So how much time will they take to meet each other? Time taken to meet each other is equal to 1.2 by 15 km per hour, which will be equal to what? Which will be 0.08 hour, which will be 4.8 minutes. Which will be 4.8 minutes. Did you all like it? Please check it out. Please check it out, my dear boys and girls. Everybody go for it. 41 is huge. For our channel, yes. For our channel, 41 is also huge. Is option C correct? I don't think so, but we will check it. Don't worry. I think option B is correct. Hello, Harish Rohan. Welcome, Harish. Nice to see you, man. Welcome. So people, are you all done? Everybody is cool with it? Very good, Nikhil Krishna. Fantastic. What about others? Did you all like it? So similarly, what can I say for Ajay and Vijay? Ajay and Vijay are traveling in the same direction. Is that correct? So Ajay and Vijay move in the same direction. So their relative speed will be what? Relative speed will be Ajay and Vijay 8 and 6. So their relative speed will be 2 km per hour. So when will they meet? They will meet in time 1.2 by 2, which is 0.6 hours. So 0.6 hours means 36 minutes. So Ajay and Vijay will meet 36 minutes, but whereas Ajay and Sanjay will meet in 4.8 minutes. So Ajay and Vijay take a lot of time to meet. So by the time they meet, which is 36 minutes, Ajay and Sanjay would have met how many times? 7 times at least. 7 point something. So 7 is the answer. Okay. Did you all like it? Very good, Suhani, brilliant. Keep it up. Are you all happy with it, boys and girls? Did you all like it? Sanjeet, I am doing good, Sanjeet. Welcome. I'm so happy to have everybody here. So guys, if you all enjoyed it, then let's move to the next one. Ajay, welcome Ajay. Nice to have you in this channel. 9 will not come. Suhani, divide it and see, na? 4.8 into what will give you 36? I think it is 7 point something. Can you guys check it? Yeah, I think it's 7.5. So 7.5, that means only 7 times they have done. 8th time did not happen. Okay, fantastic question, guys. Very nice question. I hope you liked it. Come on, people. This is a easy question. Easy one. Everybody should solve it. 11th and 12th. This is a laddu. So in KVPY also, you get some easy questions. So you basically have to identify them and you have to get it correct. Okay. Yes, Vijaya Durga, no problem. Take care. Thank you, Minnie. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Ajay, I hope you are able to understand, Ajay. These questions build concept. Absolutely, Nikhil. Nikhil, these are the questions that will take you higher. Okay, so you need to solve many of these questions. So Amina for SB, SX you can follow. SX and SB same question paper. SX and SB same question paper, Amina, so you can follow that. Okay, whenever I teach for SX, you can follow that lecture because they both will be of the same level. Will this help for JEE? Jaya Prakash? Obviously, that's why people write KVPY. Okay, KVPY is very important because JEE, it helps a lot. Okay, and if you guys are serious about KVPY, check out the crash course. The link is there in the description of this video. Don't miss it out because today the price is at 4,000. I think it might change as there is an offer going on. Got it? Deepsika, perfect Deepsika, you are right. Dhanush, awesome Dhanush. I'm glad you solved it because that is the right answer. So people, when 10 is subtracted from every observation, the mean is reduced to 60%. So if I subtract 10 from every number, the mean will also become x minus 10. Okay, so they are saying the new mean is 60% reduced to 60%. That means it is 60% of the old mean. So that means I can cancel it, right? This is 3 by 5. So x bar minus 3 by 5 x bar is equal to 10. So x bar is equal to how much? 25. Is that correct? So now the next thing is 5 is added to all the given observation. So if you add 5 to all the given observation, the new mean will become x bar plus 5. So x bar is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So 30 is the answer for this question. I hope you liked it. That is the way you solve it, my dear boys and girls. Very good, Gokulnath, you are right. Yo, Dhanush, you are right, absolutely. Amina, for KVPY, not daily, but yes, you will have classes weekly at least thrice or 4 times. Okay, you'll have thrice or 4 times in a week, Amina. Please do follow us regularly. But if you're talking about crash course, yes, crash course, the classes are daily. Almost every day in the week you have a class. Got it? Dhanush, yes man, they do ask some easy questions. It is not like KVPY, all the questions are super difficult. Sometimes you can get easy ones. Okay, so this is a typical KVPY question from your 11th standard. So please try to solve it. Everybody, hello Vishesh, welcome. Guys, this is a tough question. Okay, it's a good question. Let me see if you guys can handle it. Let me see if my boys and girls out here can handle it. Please go for it, guys. Everybody, try to solve it. And if you have any doubt, if you have any questions that you want to ask me, please let me know. I will be more than happy to guide you. Very good. Separate into parts and write. No, that is not the method. Think about it. Can I skip this? I am in SX. Suhani, you have to solve this also. Come on. SX should solve everything. SA aspirants can solve only SA. Okay, very good. Narashima Rao, yes, we will check it, don't worry. We will check whether you are right or wrong. How to strengthen basics? Try to revise your concepts for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Slowly you can improve. So guys, let us say if this is 0, this also has to be 0. Only then they'll be equal. So this will be 0 when x should be positive, right? So x is starting from 1 up to 98, it will be 0. Correct, na? Because 99, it will be 1. And 99, 100, it will be 0. But I cannot take 99, 100 because that time this will be 1. So for x equal to 1 to 98, this will be 0, right side also is 0. Correct, na? So 1 to 98, good. Yes. Very good, Deepsika. Now second is when it is from 102, 101 can work, is it? 101 also can work, I think. 101 also can work. 101 to 197. Is that correct? So from 101 to 197, this will be 1. That will also be 1. Got it? Third, you will have x belongs to, you will have 202 up to, you will have 296. Is that correct, people? So that will be, this will be 2 in that case. and that will also be 2. So like that you keep going. So here you have 98 values, here you have 97 values, here you have 96 values, all the way up to 1. So the answer is sum of 1 to 98. So 1 to 98 is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Is that correct? Is that correct, guys? Can you check it? Will that give you the answer? Is that right? Did I do it wrong? Check it, guys. Please let me know whether I am right or wrong. Okay. So guys, it is 40. So you will sum it up from 98, 97, 96 all the way up to 1. And that is what we have as the answer. Can you guys please try it out? Everybody, please let me know. Are you all happy with it? Guys, did we do it correctly? Please check it. Please check it. Please check it. Everybody. I don't want anybody going wrong. I don't want anybody going wrong. Please go for it, my dear boys and girls. Yes, are you all sure? Is that the answer? Sir, do we have to remove something? No, Dhanush. Nope, 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 nope. Abhinav. Guys, I want everybody to check it out. Are you guys able to follow whatever I have said so far? Please think about it and answer me. So guys, we have x belong to 1 to 98, right? So when x is 1 to 98, you'll have 0. You'll have 0 here. That much everybody has got. When x is 101, both of them will be 1, and it goes all the way up to 197. Why only up to 197? Because 198, this will become 2. 198, this will become 2, right? Got it? So that is why I kept it like that. So 1 to 98, how many terms you have? 1 to 98, you will have 98 integers which are positive. 101 to 197, how many integers you have? 97. And 202 to 296, how many you have? Guys, here it is 95, right? Is that a pattern? Did I do something wrong in the pattern? This is 96, is it? This is 96 or 97? Can you guys verify that, please? Can you guys verify that, please, guys? Is it 101 to 197 or 102 to 197? It is 101 to 197, right? Yep. Are you all cool with that, boys and girls? Please let me know. 97 only. Okay, then what do you have? But here, what is the value? Here, what is the value? Can you please check that? Here, I think we made a mistake because 3 will be 297 and here will be 202. So here it is 95 only, right? Or 96. 96 or 95? 96 or 95? Please sum it up properly, guys. It is 202, guys. 202 because x by 101 should be 2, right? So 202 by 101 is 95. Okay, so it is not gonna go in a very nice sequence. So next one will be what? Next one you will have 303 up to what? 303 up to 395. Is that correct, people? So 303 to 395 is how much? Can you guys sum it up from now? I think from now it's easy. That is 93, right? So that is 93. Are you guys happy with that? Because from 3 to 95, that will be 93 terms. So now I got it. So 93, 95, 97 till 1. So sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 97. So sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 97 is nothing but what? How many odd numbers are there? How many odd numbers? Can you guys tell me how many odd numbers are there? 48, right? 48 odd numbers. Is that correct? 2n plus 1. So 49 odd numbers. Is that right? So from 1 to 97, there are 49 odd numbers. So 49 square is a sum plus 98. So can you tell me the answer? I think this should be the answer. Okay, 49 square plus 98. Was it brilliant? Did I do it right now? Okay, so the sequence was not right, guys. That's a mistake I did before. Okay, did you like it now? Harshita, thank you so much. Why is it starting from 303? So it starts from 198, 101, 197. Multiples of 101, Suhani. Multiples of 101. Multiples of 101, Suhani. So you had 1, right? It actually starts from 0, Suhani. But 0 is not included because they asked positive integers now. So if we included 0, we could have done it very easily. If I included 0, I could have done it very easily. Okay, because then it would have been in perfect sequence. 99, 97, 95. Directly we could have done it very easily. Okay, so but it starts from 1 because they want positive. So 1 to 98, then 101 to 197, and 202 to 296, and so on. Did you guys like it? Are you happy? So be very careful, guys, because even I saw the sequence and I wrote it wrong. You got it right. So you have to fill up to 3 or 4 terms. Only then you have to judge. Okay. Very good. So people, I hope you liked it. This was a very, very nice question. So here they have given a formula. I don't know how they came to the formula, but don't worry about it. If you're clear with what I said, then that's more than enough. Let's go forward. So please try to solve this, guys. This is the next question. So it will be the sum of odd numbers, Suhani. Suhani, in the last question, right? You will get like this. You will get 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 all the way up to 97. And then plus 98. That is your answer, Suhani. So this one, right? It is a sum of 49 odd numbers. 49 first odd numbers. So that is the formula, na? It is 49 square. Then plus 98. So that will be 2499, Suhani. That's how I solved it. Did you like it? Are you happy now? Okay. Is straight lines important for JEE? Of course, man. Thank you, Narasimha Rao. That is so kind of you, man. I'm happy that you are enjoying it. So people, if you are all happy, if you're all excited, then let's move forward to the next one. Okay. Great, great. Very good, Suhani. Fantastic, Triambak, thank you so much, man. I hope you get into the college that you dream of. Okay, work hard for advance. I'm sure you will do well. Is it B? Yes, we will check it. Deepsika, you are on a roll. You are almost right in every question. Brilliant job. So guys, you have a right angle triangle at A and circle with center A is drawn. So circle with center A, right angle triangle at A. And the radius is AB. So this is your B, let's say. So this is the radius. Got it? So this is your C. So this is 90 degree. Now what do we have? The circle cuts BC at D and AC at E. So this is E, this is D. Now we need to find out the length of AC. The length of AC. And we know BD is 20. So BD is 20 and this is 16. So the entire length is 36. Okay. So now we know secant theorem, right? So let me join this to the bottom also. Let's call it F. So guys, can I say CD into CB is equal to CE into CF? So CD is what? CD is 16 into CB is 36, right? Is equal to CE. CE is what? AC minus R. CF is nothing but AC plus R because this is radius, right? This is radius. So it will be AC plus R. So I'll have AC square minus R square is equal to 16 into 36. Now you have a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus AB square is R square is equal to hypotenuse square, which is 36 square. Now you want what? You want AC. So add both of these equations. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Add both of them. So AC square twice you will get, that is equal to 36 square plus 36 into 16. So you'll have AC square is equal to what? You will get 36 common if you take by 2. 36 plus 16 is 52. So 36 into 26 is the answer. 36 into 26 is how much? So 36 into 26 is the value of a square. So AC square. So AC will be root of that. So root of 36 is 6. Root of 26 is root 26. That's how you solve it. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody, how many of you are able to follow it? Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this question. Such a brilliant one. Such a brilliant question. Did you all love it? Basic geometry. I did not use something fancy. Was this something which involved 12th standard? No. 11th standard students can solve this. Okay. It is just properties of circles which you studied in your 8th standard. Very good, Gokulnath. Fantastic. Brilliant, brilliant. Joel, second drop, you will not be affected in placement. Placements will not affect. But Joel, be very sincere and serious if you are dropping for the second time. You need to perform well. Okay. So if you are preparing for JEE or advanced, then you can check out the droppers batch in Vedantu. It is starting this week. It started yesterday, Joel. So you can check it out if you are looking for a droppers batch. Great. Yes, yes, yes. Let's evolve. I will do that. So guys, like I told you, if you are liking these questions, then you should check out our KVPY program. So we have a complete crash course for KVPY, which is currently active in Vedantu. In case you want to be a part of it, where teachers in Vedantu have produced top ranks, All India rank 72, All India rank 76, 221, 310, so many good ranks. And teachers themselves have cleared KVPY. In fact, when I wrote KVPY, I got an All India rank of 337. So that is my rank. So I've also been here, and we have teachers who have done it. So they are the ones who are going to help you prepare for this exam. So if you want to study with us in such a beautiful system for a very, very reasonable price, then please check it out, guys, because it is currently active. Okay, currently active. All you need to do is just go and check out the link in the description. The link in the description I'll show you right now, and you have to use my coupon code. My coupon code is over here, SJKVPY. Okay, SJKVPY. Love from India. Great. Love from UK. UK, I think he meant Uttarakhand. Or is it United Kingdom? So people, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it to your friends, and make sure you like the video as well. So people, before you leave, let me show you how to join KVPY, man. Joining KVPY is pretty simple. All you need to do is go to the video, come below the video and check out here. So you have SX ka batch and you have SA KVPY batch. So whichever you want, you can join. Guys, this is my coupon code, SJKVPY. Okay. SJKVPY is the code, you guys can use it. So people, this is the pro subscription. The pro subscription prices are also given here. The pro subscription is on offer. Okay. So if you see the monthly pro subscription, this is the regular long-term batch. KVPY I showed you separately. That is a crash course. That is just for 2 months. So for 2 months until you write KVPY exam, we have 10 test series, we have 80 assignments along with teaching. So that is what we have. SX is for 12th standard, SA is for 11th standard. Now if you want regular JEE long-term batches for 2023, which is 11th standard, you can click on this link and you'll be taken here. Then you can purchase the 1 month trial. The 1 month trial has become very, very reduced in price because of Teachers' Day. So Teachers' Day offer is going on. Today is the last day. Guys, today is the last day for Teachers' Day offer. So tomorrow onwards, this will be back to 3,000. Right now, it's at 1,500. Can you believe it's half the price? And same way for this also, we have reduction in prices. So if you are interested to check out how Vedantu is for 1 month, you can check it out. Okay, you can purchase it. Just click on it. You can register and buy it. Same way for 12th also. Same way for droppers also. Okay. So people, I hope you got it. If you have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, we will move forward. So let's evolve. Guys, it is a 3 months course. Just a few classes I've got over and you will get recordings of all those classes. But you still have 2 months. You have 80 assignments. Everything you will get anyway, right? You will get the recording, you will get the test series, you will get the assignment. So make a wise choice. If you register for KVPY, prepare hard for it and do well. Okay? So guys, all the very best. I love you all. I'll meet you at 6 o'clock. In just half an hour, I'll meet you again. I will talk about the KVPY course. I'll talk about the surprise. What we'll get in the KVPY course, you will get teaching problem solving. They like this, right? They'll expose you to many methods in a systematic manner. They will cover all the topics that is there. Then you'll have 80 assignments, 80 assignments covering all the topics of KVPY. And finally, 10 test series. You'll have 10 test series. All of it is available in the crash course of KVPY. So guys, make a wise choice. See you all there in the course. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. All the best.